Welcome to WeBuild Construction. As you can see, this is a project that we are doing at KENYASI in Kumasi. This is a 6-bedroom residential house, exclusive one, state of the art. And as you can see, we already had an older foundation. As you can see around, there was a foundation for a commercial purpose, a commercial building, and the owner contacted us for a residential one. I made mention of a 6-bedroom exclusive residential family. So all this place was for the older plan, that was for the commercial one. But we are using the platform because you don't want to excavate the whole platform off just because you want to do a new building. So as you can see, we did a reinforced beams all here, the steel work that will support the layout of the blocks so that it won't sink or it won't, do anything funny, because there's no blocks laid beneath the oversized concrete that will support the weight of the project that we are coming to do. So all this space will be used or preserved instead of excavating all the hole or grading all this floor off to start from afresh. We are trying to be economical and also professionally maintaining the strength and the stability of the project. So this is what we are doing. We first use the wood for the profiling, did the sharpening. So instead of us to dig a foundation, we use the framework or the wooden frameworks for the foundation. So here will be where the blocks will be laid. And as you can see, the steel works have been done. Here is the entrance. The reason why we didn't link the whole beam here is because we don't want it to feel like, we are stepping in. Nah, you just need to go, because here's the foundation, here's the floor. We will tile here and it will it's to be level. So you don't need to be doing this. And there won't be any block work here. The block work will be just from here, as you can see. So here is the gateway. And here, this small area is a guest washroom. This area, as you can see, is the living room. It's messy. As it stands right now, it's messy, but when we're done, it's back here on the wall. And this place, we will have our stairs here, a floating stairs to be precise. So we will get it here and along the strip. Then here, in a sitting area. So we have a living room here and a sitting area here. And at the back of the sitting area, we have a bar here. We have the bar here, and we have the dining here. And we also have our dry kitchen here. So the dry kitchen will be from this place all the way here. Here's the dry kitchen. So you have like an open concept here. If you are in the living room, you will see the dry kitchen, the dining area, and you will see the floating stairs. Like, the view is crazy. So you will enter from here to the kitchen. Here's a small part made for laundry, but we remove this so that it will be just one big kitchen. Here is the wet kitchen. So we have a dry kitchen here, and we have our wet kitchen here, and here's the exit door for the kitchen. So here is that. So let's quickly go to the first bedroom to the left when you are in the living room. Here is the first bedroom to the left when you are in the living room. This bedroom is very spacious, as you can see. It's on camera, but it will seem small, but very spacious. And here is the washroom for this bedroom and the closet for this bedroom. This is not the master bedroom. This is just a regular bedroom in the ground floor. And here is another bedroom to the right when you are in the living room. Here is a very spacious bedroom, as you can see. Yes. Then you have your closet here, and you have your washroom here. So as you can see, it's like everything is in suit. Everything is in suit. So this is what we started. Let me take you around so you can see. The boss told us that since the project or the older project was not commercial, it was very big, so we ate up all the land. So as you can see, here's the space left for the older project if it was constructed. So we shrank it to this. So as you can see, we saved all this space. So in addition to the space that was left, the owner will be very proud. You can get that. Yeah, so we have this whole place for the owner, and this place will be used for parking cars. So we will make a provision so that the car can come up here. And as you can see, this place was also ate up by the older foundation. And as you can see, this is a wall. wall to the foundation, and the foundation is about 4 feet intervals. So we made a room for more than 12 feet from the wall to our foundation. So 12 feet, that's a lot of feet. So we can fix the septic tanks, everything here, as you can see, bigger space. So that's that. Everything here that you see here has been engineered. Nothing was straight from the mind. No, we did our research very well. We really went hard on this one. We put everything that we need to. So everything in here is planned. So if in case you have an older foundation that you want to build a new one on it, maybe you can download the video, maybe show it to your professional. But if he's not professional that much, he can't get it very strong as we can. So I advise you, if you are not in Ghana, I advise you to seek professional advice before you do this. That's an urgent one. Note that, pin up on the wall. So this is what we are doing, and as you can see, this is a quick work. Today is Friday. We start from Monday, and this is how far we put ourselves. So this is WeBuild Construction. We are in Ghana at the moment. We will come worldwide. So if you are in Australia, if you are in Italy, if you are in Denmark, if you are in US, Italy, Pakistan, wherever you are, hold on. We are coming. We are building the whole world. WeBuild Global. So that's that. Thank you for watching our exclusive video, and subscribe and keep us in check. We will updating and giving you the updates on the progresses of what we are doing here, and it will be marvelous. It will blow your mind up. Thank you very much. My name is Wellington. I'm the founder and leader, and also a lot. Thank you very much, and I'm hoping to see you again.